Good morning, everyone. Just bringing a quick update. Hopefully, these enlarged pictures can help. So hopefully, you guys can get a clearer view. So, as we see here, the red line represents closed field lines, and that's indicating interaction with another magnetosphere. And the more stacks you can say of those closed field lines, see how it develops from one to an additional layer, and then a third, and then a fourth. Look at how out and it's repelling this giant magnetosphere, which represents this blue shape here. That there is your interplanetary magnetic field. And look how on the front side we were inducing from the bow shock, and then now nothing. It's like a fluctuation of energy. Here on this map, the arrows indicate the direction of wind flow. On the right, we have the sun that we can see. And look at how the arrows behind us are pushing the opposite direction of that wind blow. You can see toroidal patterns. You can actually see some of these moons in the shadow of night past your north horizon. Look at this giant push right here. Right there, you have multiple. There's like 3 of them right there. And this right here is the atmospheric compression. That's pushing from behind. Down here in this region. Look at the heightened pressure. The pressure is so strong behind that some of the flares that the sun that we can see with our own eyes isn't really doing much anymore. That's because for over 6 years already, people have been trying to bring this knowledge of magnetics, basic magnetics. But everyone wants to normalize things and believe none of these objects move in space. They want to tell you that this is normal here. That's up at the ionosphere. There's your jet stream. And all that compression from the ionosphere down to the jet streams onto your surface. And so you have two counter-clockwise patterns here with this clockwise one here over by Japan. And this is where all the quakes are happening right now in this region right here. On the quote-unquote ring of fire that they're telling you it's normal for it to happen. Well, okay. How normal is normal when you're having multiple 5s and 6s every day? Look at that's within the past 24 hours. You can see it in the air, you can see it in the water. Look at all this storm that's brewing right here. Pushing onto the west coast here on the Americas. You have the one that's been brewing in the ocean on the east coast of the Americas, North America, pushing onto the west coast here. Look at this one right here. Pushing all the way up here. So this entire region here is getting sandwiched not just by air but water also, increasing the seismic activity while adding to it at that part. Clear that up for you guys. The globe's still on fire. UV of 14. Back to the quakes. You know, this is that whole region, quote unquote, ring of fire. And now it's just spreading further out, further out. See, this is the heightened influence and absorption of these particles, ions from the ionosphere, charging up our atmosphere. And these red dots is where the quakes have been happening because it's being absorbed into the actual surface, into the actual realm. Polarizing this. There's been updates, not just from this channel, from Catfish, looking into the new studies of how people are predicting these quakes, and it has to do with all these charged, quote unquote, charged particles that are being charged by these suns. I hope the audio wasn't too bad. I hope the video was better than the audio. Thank you all very much. I appreciate it. Stay safe out there.